I am about to prepare dinner with the stuff that we got from the Spanish market yesterday. We have the cheese, the anchovy, the boquerones, our favorite, and then this one, the chorizo from Pamplona. And we have the baguette, sourdough baguette from the grocery earlier. We're super happy that we found boquerones from that store. We have the two ready, the Pamplona cold cuts, and then this one I just need to open them. Now I need to slice the cheese. So we have manchego cheese, and this other one is mahon minorca. So the manchego cheese, we can finish. The other one, I'll slice this probably first. This one I don't think we can finish, so I need to just like slice probably a third of this, or maybe a quarter. This is like, look at this, like kind of like a semi soft cheese. Now it has like a plastic wrap. Let's slice from like this side. So like semi-soft cheese, and the rest we can put back in the fridge. Then tomorrow I will cook the blood sausage with rice for breakfast, and then the Basque cheese for another day, just slicing them into like more of bite-sized pieces, so it's easier to like eat. Same thing with this like manchego cheese, my favorite cheese actually. I always say it, but yes, I love manchego cheese. I have some fruits too. I have some pears from the backyard garden. Some peaches, or like pears. Let's pick some pears to add on to our... This one is ready, and then we have more over there. This is our pear. These are pears. I harvested 3. Let's move to this one. We have the baby eels. Let's try one of the baby eels. This one is mackerel fillet in like oil. The same one. We have pate too. I'm not sure if we're eating the pate today. The sardines in tomato. I'm not sure if you want that. We have this one, the mussels. We can do the mussels. Here's our tapas dinner with the stuff that we got from the Spanish market yesterday. We have the cheese, 2 kinds of cheese. We have the boquerones, the piquillo peppers. We have manzanilla olives, and then Pamplona chorizo. And we have those like sardines, and then the bread, and we have the wine also from the Spanish market. And we have apples, over there, and then pears here from the backyard garden. Let's eat. Eating time, guys. And the wine is also from the Spanish market.
Maybe it looks something like a sci-fi movie.
You're right. Our favorite is this one, boquerones. How about you? What do you like to eat first? Of course,
Bread and
the bread. Oh, and the chorizo.
Chorizo.
What is this?
We got this one because it's almost the same one that we had at Quimet in Barcelona.
It's a humilla wine. In your glass, ma.
Thank you.
I'm gonna eat cheese for the second time or third.
What cheese is that?
Manchego from Spain.
Good? That's good. And then I am going to cook the dessert. Crema Catalana. Are you eating creme brulee too? Sure.
What is that? Dude.
But anyway, this is leftover from Josh. We have a fully stocked fully stocked yogurt.
Natural sugar.
Cane sugar. It's cane sugar. Now time to pour in this creme brulee. I'm not sure if it says it makes 14, so like it has 2 sachets, so it made not 14. I'm using sugar in the raw. And then I have let's slice the strawberries first. I have the strawberries here. This already. And then Crema Catalana is now ready, and to caramelize the sugar, I am using this torch that was gifted to me by TB Tech. Please check them out. They're available at Amazon. And I love that they sent me this beautiful orange color. If you get a butane that has a short nozzle, this came with the different sizes if you need a longer one. If you need to refill. There is a safety switch here to lock the button, and then if you need it, just turn it on. And there is also adjustable in terms of the intensity of the fire. It is adjustable. And you can use this for not just for creme brulee or crema catalana. They also use this for searing steak, and I've seen sushi chef use this to sear fish. And also it's handy to have when camping, and for soldering, for when you are making jewelry. You can use this one too. So let's continue with this. Ooh, look at that. See? I just need to put strawberry on top. Look at that. It looks like from a restaurant, right? This one, let's put it like that, and the other one down. Really nice. Now, this is super handy to have in every home. So if you don't have one yet, get one. And I super love this color. I'm not sure if this color is still available, but this comes in different colors, probably 6 or 7 colors. I can't remember.
This is so good. You should check out the torch in the description. Really good for
This torch.
You should really check out the torch. It's really good for creme brulee or crema catalana.
Yes.
Oh, remember the Haitian terrace? We used to park there, Jack in the Box, or somewhere there. The cranes, JD, they're next to each other.
It's 12:25 right now. There's Kenny Park.